tayo ng bonggang-bongga naman, we like to call on Direk Albert. Ayan po. Come here, Direk. Pakatayin muna natin si Direk. And of course, for those who want to sing here, to jam here on stage, wala pong problema. Until anong oras tayo? Oh,
Well, ayan. Naku, malaking... Matagal-tagal pa. Isang oras mo higit. Hello, Direk. Good evening!
Good evening,
Hi, Direk
Direk.
Albert.
Ayan po, promote ko lang ang isa sa mga ginawa ni Direk na film. It's an indie film, kasama po ako doon. It will be released na po next week na ba, Direk? Next week na, ayan po. It's entitled Love Beyond. Kasama ko naman dito ay isang Syriano. It's actually an LGBTQ+ na story. Indie film, inilaban po siya sa mga film festival na ano. Nagkaroon siya ng ano yon sa
Nomination sa Chicago Film Festival.
sa Chicago Film Festival.
At saka sa UK, Liftoff Film Festival.
Yes.
Ayun, bongga.
Oo, kaya magalala, dala-dala ko naman ang pagka-Pilipino ko doon.
Yes, perfect.
Abangan natin yan. Next week na po yan. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan na rin. Direk Albert.
Ibang ano, ang ibang interest ko din ko kaya. Pinatawag ko tayo. Kaya naman. Okay. Diba ito
I'm jealous of the rain that falls upon your skin. It's closer than my hands have been. Oh, I'm jealous of the rain.
Si Derek Albert.
I'm jealous of the wind
Pinababa ko yung kanta niya, friends.
that ripples through your
Dapat na lang
clothes.
talaga din talaga kumanta.
It's closer than your shadow. Oh, I'm jealous of the wind. 'Cause I wish you the best of all this world could give. And I told you when you left me, there's nothing to forgive. But I always thought you'd come back, tell me all you found was heartbreak and misery. It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. I'm jealous of the nights that I don't spend with you. I'm wondering who you lay next to. Oh, I'm jealous of the nights. I'm jealous of the love that wasn't here, gone for someone else to stay. Oh, I'm jealous of the love. 'Cause I wish you the best of all this world could give. And I told you when you left me, there's nothing to forgive. But I always thought you'd come back, tell me It's hard for me to say I'm jealous of the way you're happy without me. Thank you.
Yes, palakpakan naman tayo for Direk Albert. Of course, Direk, isa pa.
Isa pa.